Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Recently you would have seen that I unboxed the Makita Brushless Electric Blower, a DUB184, and it was just fantastic. Now what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison to the Makita Electric Brushless Blower versus a Ryobi Petrol Blower. Now which one do you think will win on the side-by-side blow comparison? Leave a comment below, but let's get into it. So it's a bit hard to make a side-by-side comparison, but what we're going to do is we're just going to blow a section of the gutter out here with each blower, and let's see how quickly each of these blowers can actually clear the strip. So we'll start with the petrol blower. Of course, with the electric blower, we don't have to start it up, but we'll start up the Ryobi blower and let's just see how it goes. Alright, so we've just done that section with the petrol blower, and it wasn't too bad, granted. About 10 pulls to start it, and of course, I don't need the earmuffs with the electric blower, so let's do this one and see how it goes. It's pretty obvious to me, you don't even need a stopwatch. This little Makita brushless blower is just a little ripper. It's like so much more powerful than the petrol blower. I don't know why anyone would ever buy a petrol blower again. So let's just get into this yard and let's just see how quickly I can clean up the front yard. Come on. Well, there you go. A run around in just a couple of minutes and we are done. Massive thumbs up to the Makita Brushless Blower. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.